These two kitchen ingredients could be the most powerful plant protector you've ever used. Let me show you why. Today, we're combining cinnamon and garlic, and in just days, your plants will be stronger, healthier, and completely pest-free. You only need 1 cinnamon stick and 1 garlic clove. That's it, pure nature, no chemicals. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal that keeps harmful soil diseases away. Garlic is loaded with allicin, a natural insect and pest repellent. Together, they form a shield that protects your plants from root to leaf. Dig a hole about 2 to 3 inches deep near your plant's base. Place the cinnamon stick and garlic clove together. Cover with soil and water as usual. You'll see fewer pests, healthier leaves, and faster growth, all from this simple kitchen combo. Try this once, and you'll never garden without it again. Share this tip with a fellow plant lover.